Okay, so let's begin. Basically, we need to create a controller, model, and then migration for our task list project, right? Now I'm in my directory structure inside htdocs, and I'm open this is my terminal. You can just use a traditional terminal, right? But I'm using the CMDER, a Windows interface. You can also use Git as you wish, right? Okay, so let me just say Composer. Make sure Composer is installed, right? Basically, if Composer is installed in your PC, so you can run Composer and create Laravel project, and then we will use the create project method, right? And that's basically creates new project from package into given directory, right? Okay, let's just install Laravel first. So if I just say Composer and then create project Laravel/Laravel, that will look into, I think, packages, and then download Laravel in your directory, and then the name of the project. In our case, this is, I think, that is task list or task, right? Okay, so let's just install this, and if I just press enter, it will just take a few minutes to install our project in our directory, right? Okay, that looks good. So the fresh copy of Laravel application has been installed, right? Okay, so next I'll open this project in my text editor that I'm using is Visual Studio Code, and I'll just open this tasks, basically this task for project, and then open the folder. There it is. You can see the project is completely opened in our text editor, right? Next, we need to set up the env file, the environment file, right? Basically the name of the database. For example, we can say task, and then we'll create it right now, and the name of the database is, in our case, it is root, and there's no password, right? And then I'll open navigate. I'm using navigate. This is basically provides you a good interface, right? Yeah, and you can just use PHP myadmin if you want to. I'll open my connection and then create a new database, and the name of the database is task. Okay, that's already exists. Let me just go back and then delete this. Okay, that's already exists, so we can use this, right? And if you do not have, you can just go ahead and create one, right? And if I just click and open this, you can see there is no table, so that means our database is ready. Okay, the env file is done, and next we will just create our migration model and controller. So if I just say php artisan make model, and the name of the model would be task, and then we need a migration and then controller for that, right? Oh yeah, we need to just go to the directory structure of the folder, cd task. Inside task, we'll run this command. There it is. The model has been created. So we just go to our app. This is the model, and controller is being creating. This is task controller, and then we just have database models migrations here. There it is, right? That looks good. Okay, we'll just delete these two migration files, the create users. Oh yeah, we just deleted the folder. Okay, undo this. There it is. We just have create task table, right? And then we will say we just have increment id. Okay, we just need id, and then we can simply say table, the body of the, or title of the task, you can just say string, the data type should be, and then we can say title or the body of the task, right? Okay, what next? We'll just close this migration file and then go to a terminal, and if I just say php artisan migrate, so it will migrate our databases. Okay, the migrations are created. So if we just go to tasks, tables, and then refresh, there it is. We just have the task, the title, and created it, updated it, the timestamps, right? Okay, what next? Okay, now we need to go to our controller. This is task controller. Okay, and then we have our model task. Okay, that looks good. We can now just use this model and then controller to handle our tasks. So in the next video we'll be working on our views and routing, right? See you there.